Irish yogurt's Clonakilty. Try a spoonful of delicious.
Eunice Power is here. Eunice, how are you?
I'm brilliant, thanks, Dahi.
Listen, Pancakes, Eunice Power. This says success written all over it.
Oh, yeah. So today I'm not going to do the crepey style pancakes.
Okay, the Sinead typey pancakes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're going to do a thick pancake, a thick American style
Fluffy
pancake.
one.
A fluffy one served with blueberries.
Oh,
How
lovely.
about that? We're
Some
going all
blueberries.
kind of...
One of our 5 a day as well.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So I'm going to pop the blueberries in here, 200 grams of blueberries into a saucepan with a nice little squeeze of lemon juice and not pip. Pop the pip out there.
What will the lemon juice do for it?
It'll just kind of give it a bit of tartness, a bit of acid against the sweetness of the
lovely. That's
blueberries.
what we want.
Blueberries aren't, they're not a strong flavour, but if you use a little bit of lemon and a bit of sugar with them, you get a nice flavour from them.
So it brings out more of the flavour.
Yeah, exactly.
As well.
They need a little bit of encouragement.
That's all.
Yeah,
we all need a little bit of encouragement this time of year,
and
Eunice.
a tablespoon or a dessert spoon of sugar. Not too much sugar, just a little bit of
Is
sugar.
that just caster sugar, Eunice?
Just caster sugar and I'll let it work away. Meanwhile, back at the ranch, I have 250 grams of plain flour, which I'm going to sieve in there. Now, it's important to sieve it, OK? Because it just aerates it.
So
and
is that where the fluffiness comes from?
That and another little ingredient that we're going to add in, a very important ingredient. I'm going to put in 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder and then 2 dessert spoons of sugar. So you can put more sugar in if you want to, but I don't particularly like loads of sugar in it.
Yeah.
So I'm going to just stir all that around. And then for our fluffiness, we have the eggs.
Okay.
So 3 eggs. Nice yellow free-range eggs.
Yeah. Do you know what? I like savoury pancakes and sweet ones as well, Eunice. I like all types of pancakes.
Yeah.
Because in America, sometimes if I have to go out for breakfast, sometimes they have pancakes and steak tips as well.
Right.
With eggs, yeah.
Or bacon and
all
and
that
maple
yeah,
syrup. Yeah, I do that at home a bit as well.
I like it as well.
And my secret ingredient today is Irish yogurt Clonakilty, Greek-style yogurt, and it's a low-fat one. I'm putting in 150 grams in here. And this gives the pancakes a great flavour. And I'm going to put a little bit of milk in with that.
Okay.
It gives them great flavour, and it also gives them that kind of, I suppose, puffiness when they cook. And then a nice little bit of vanilla paste.
Yeah, the vanilla paste, that's good stuff, Eunice.
Oh, it's fabulous. Yeah, it's really, really nice. Vanilla pods, are so expensive now, but this vanilla paste is great and it's much nicer.
It's only a step below it, really, Eunice, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. You can see the vanilla seeds in there. You can see them in here.
Because you have the extract and stuff, that's all.
No, they're really good. No, I won't be using any of that rubbish.
No.
The best of everything.
Okay.
Okay, just so I'm clear on that, And so I'm going to pop these in here and give it a little quick whisk. Just to bring everything together. So this is a mix I made earlier because you need to rest the pancake mix for a little while.
So how long should you rest it for, really?
About 20 minutes.
20 minutes, okay.
So this one I made earlier. Now, a little tip for you. If it gets a little bit stiff, add in a little bit more, a little drop of water or a little drop of milk, okay? Yeah.
Soften it up.
Yeah, exactly. Now, in here I'm going to pour in my pancake mix. And, sugar.
So plenty of it, Eunice, to get the fluffiness. And Eunice, for people at home who are celiac and if they're gluten intolerant, will these pancakes work the same with gluten-free flour?
Absolutely. They'll be delicious with gluten-free flour.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay.
Really nice gluten-free flour. It's great. Now, maybe add a little... See, what happens with... The difference in gluten-free flour and regular flour is the gluten will sort of be a bit more active because there is gluten in flour.
Yeah.
So maybe a little less liquid.
Okay.
Okay, a little less liquid.
A little less of the milk.
Of the milk. So when you put in the milk, put in the yogurt, 150 grams of yogurt, 100 grams of milk, and then see how you go, Okay. But that'll be the only difference. But gluten-free pancakes are really successful.
Yeah. You wouldn't even know the difference, Eunice.
No, you wouldn't.
In taste?
No, absolutely not. No. Now, this is going to be...
What's the secret here now, Eunice? So you butter in the pan.
Butter, nice hot pan, butter in the pan. And it's funny, I've done these loads of times on air. I'm always nervous.
What are you nervous of, Eunice?
Just in case something will go flipping.
Nothing. Nothing will go awry.
Right, yeah. Famous last words.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm just going to let this cook through for a minute or two.
Well, you're in the ward. You're with all your awards now. Surely you'll flip it live on television.
Flip it,
Was that a nervous laugh, Eunice?
Yes, it was. Yeah.
I've never heard of Eunice Power's nervous laugh before.
No, sugar. It's actually.
That's the way I love them, Eunice. That's the way I like them.
This is nice and kind of
Well done.
sloppery, not American style pancakes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Listen, they're going to taste amazing, Eunice.
I was actually flipping them for Ireland there earlier on, but the minute I go on air, then it's...
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So when do you know that they're done then, Eunice?
You know they're done when when they're nice and crispy underneath, and you can just turn them like this. This will just be another second now.
So these will be made in real time as well. But because they are the American-style fluffy ones, they're going to take just a little bit longer.
Yeah, they will. They take a little bit longer to cook. And
yeah.
Just going to. Okay, I think that's ready now.
I'm delighted you're taking your time with this, Eunice, because I want this. I want the blueberries to cool down a small bit because I'd say they'll be very hot. They'd be very, very hot.
Yeah. Now, okay, there you go. Ready?
Okay. Okie dokie.
Okay, and actually the pancakes look really hot as well.
Yeah.
Okay, so next then we're going to put on our blueberries, and I have a special blueberry coloured spoon for this.
Yeah. Oh, even the smell of the pancakes, lads, will bring you right back.
Now, and then I have some crème fraîche here. This lovely Clonakilty crème fraîche. Actually, I made a beef stroganoff yesterday, and I had lovely Clonakilty crème fraîche, and it was delicious.
Beef stroganoff? Okay.
Yeah, really nice at the end. And then I'm going to put a little blowhana on there for you.
Oh, on the yes.
No.
No, can you make another one for Sinead, because she'll definitely eat it during the next ad break.
I will, of course. I'll get on straight away.
And do you know the blueberry thing goes with Sinead's ensemble today?
It does. Now we're all on. Oh.
Also known as an outfit. But,
yeah, we're all coordinated today.
Oh, Eunice, it's beautiful with the cream and top.
And they're not a bit too sweet.
No, beautiful. Eunice, Paul, great to have you as always.